if you delegation is the master key to scale. Because you can't scale, and it's probably for me personally, it's one of the hardest. It's really hard to let go of a system or a process and give it to somebody else, because one, it likely takes more time to give it to somebody else than it does to just do it yourself. It takes you more time to train somebody up on something than to just do it yourself. So there's a time suck and an investment of time that you're going to need to do. Also, they're going to screw it up. They're going to do it differently than you do. And that is very difficult for some founders to allow the people that choose to work with them, their team members, to make mistakes and give them the space and the room to make mistakes. But fundamentally, it is so freeing and so enabling to have a great team around you, where you essentially, the sports analogy is, you need to stop being a player and become a coach. And I am, it's at heart, a player. So it's really difficult for me to not play on the field and delegate things, but that's really the mindset. You need to become a coach and allow your team to be the players in your organization, which is a whole different skill set, and you have to kind of treat it like a craft. But it will free your business up for growth, and it'll make your personal life a lot better.